Hello there, welcome back to Grandma Ray Don't Play, and I'm Rachel. So let's make a blueberry pie, okay, from scratch. What about that? Would you like that? Okay, give it a thumbs up if you like it, share the video, subscribe, okay? So let's get started. Okay guys, so you want to put your oven on 350 degrees, okay? Alright, so let's get started. So I have about I think this is 1, 2, maybe 3 pints of blueberries. So you're going to just put your blueberry, this is 2. This came as 2 in a package. I think I paid $2.99. So you're going to fill the bottom half first, or one of them first, with the blueberries. And then you want to put the rest of it in. Okay. Now we're going to add some brown sugar. Before we add the brown sugar, we're going to add some cinnamon. So I'm just going to heavily put the cinnamon on. Heavily. A lot. Okay, let me show you that. Okay. Alright, now we're going to add the brown sugar. So let's see. That's 1 handful. Make sure you can see. And spread it all around. This is the 2nd handful. Okay, and you'll notice I'm breaking up any of the big lumps of brown sugar. Okay, so I think that that's plenty for me. Now if you like more sugar, you can put more in yours. But I put 3 heaping handfuls of brown sugar. Okay, I just want to wipe this up. Okay, so now I have some vanilla extract. I want to put 2 capfuls. This is the cap that came on it. 2 of these. Or if you don't have, maybe your cap is smaller than mine, we'll call it about a tablespoon and a half full. Okay, tablespoon and a half. Okay, so now that we have all of that in, and now we're going to put our oven on 350, which I forgot to put mine on, but let me get it on. There we go. Okay, now I'm going to put the pie crust that came with it on the top. So I want to show you how to take this off. And before we do that, I want to put water around the edge. Let me get that. I'll be right back. Okay, so I have some water here and a pastry brush. You're going to just wet around the edge of the pie crust. That's so that the next pie crust that we're going to put on here will stick. So if you have any blueberries or brown sugar, anything on the crust, you want to make sure that that gets good and wet and pushed back so that your top crust will stick, okay? Okay. Now, you see how I'm, nope, you can't see. Better. You see how I'm pulling this up from the edge? See that? Right here? Okay. Now I'm loosening it from the edge all the way around first. And then you're going to pull it up as best you can. Hopefully in one piece. Okay, and then we're going to lay it right on the top, edge to edge. Okay, and any pieces that fell off, we're going to patch it up, okay? So let's see. And you don't have to worry about how it looks, because when pie crust cooks, it all will look the same. Now if you want to be really fancy, you can make pie crust and then roll it out and you'll have your crust that way. But this is an easier route if you don't want to do all of that, okay? Okay, now I cut that because I'm patching, guys. See that? I'm patching. And you're going to come on this side where you see some space that need attention. There we go. So now I'm going to take a fork and just go all the way around, pressing down so that the top crust can adhere to the bottom crust. Remember, we wet the edge. Okay, I'm going to push it in, try to make it a little neat. Okay, we're going to put a hole right in the middle. That's for it to breathe. Oh, I found another little piece. I'll put that there. Okay, now you're going to take your knife and poke holes all around the top. That's for it to breathe. So you cut out your hole in the middle right here, and then you're going to poke with the knife all the way around the edge. Okay, let me show you what that's looking like. Okay? Okay. So now, we're going to put that in a pan. Let me show you that. Okay guys, I put the pie inside this pan here, so in case anything drip out, it can go into this pan. Okay? So I will suggest you do the same, because you don't want to clean up anything out of the stove, alright? Alright, so we're going to put this in on 350 until the crust is a golden brown, and then I'm going to tell you when I take mine out how long it took. And then you want to let that cool for a while before you cut into it, okay? Alright, so I'll be back when we take it out the oven. Thank you. And oh no, I'll be right back for your word of the day. How about that? Okay. Okay, so the word of the day. The word of the day is boredom. So you're bored? You're locked in due to the infection that's going on nationwide, and you just kind of just want to get out. You just had enough of being in, tied down. Oh, okay. Well, why don't we do some of those chores that we always say we want to do, but we never actually do because we're always running here and running there. You won't be bored when you finish with this because, number one, you're going to be so occupied for hours until you're going to forget that you was even bored. So things that I thought about that I would do, and maybe this can apply to you as well. I always talk about going through all of my dresser drawers and getting rid of anything that I haven't worn in a year or don't really need, and just getting rid of everything unnecessary in my dresser drawers, and then go to my closet and then go from that closet to the next closet until I finally wean down all the unnecessary clothing that I do not need. And you know, maybe you can I don't know, clean the corners of the floor. You know, that's something that we mop, but very rarely do we go in on our hands and knees and dig out those corners, you know, the little dark bits of trash that somehow or another ends up piled in the corner when you move the mop. Well, go and scrape that out and clean that out. You're going to be really pleased when you finish with that. And if that's not enough, if it's a good day, you could go clean out your car, you know, and make it smell good and shampoo it and vacuum it and put the wax on the outside. Yeah, I think you won't be bored after all of that. What do you think, huh? Yeah, let's give that a try. Okay? Boredom. It's all because you need to get up and do something that you yourself will be pleased. Okay, that's the word of the day. It may not be one you want to hear, but it is one that maybe you might need to do. Okay. We'll wait on the blueberry pie, okay? Thanks. Okay guys, blueberry pie is out. Look at that. Alright, so listen. 1 second. Alright, I'm not going to be able to taste it because it's hot. It's a fruit, so it needs to cool down so that it can gel together. Alright, so you try yours. Let me know how you like it, and now that you know how to make it, it's all on you. Okay, alright, give it a thumbs up if you like it, share the video, and subscribe if this is your first time on my channel. Check out my links below, see if you would like to support this channel in any way. And until next time, I'll talk to you soon. Bye bye.